Well, he attack me. But Jayden chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, La Boss and the dancehall king himself, Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, have a dancehall reminder in store. Yes, we don't hear what going on. Yeah, Jahmiel makes some statements. La Boss definitely correct him. And Vybz Kartel have the dancehall reminder as I'm reminding you. And as Chronicler saying relevant, one path you don't want to take. The one choppy way you don't want to turn off on. Or the one walked by a psychopath, viewers and subscribers. And speaking of that, we have the exclusive snippet of the new Vybz Kartel track. Here we want to do. We want to look, and yes, we want to listen.
Blaze, down our ears. I smoke for days. Yeah, never. Tell Newton to lift up everything.
Viewers and subscribers, and as I am pointing out, at no point in time, I feel like Jahmiel ready for no lyrical confrontation with Chronicler. It's a youth to have a melody, like one style. I am still house on the hill. But a La Boss them run hilltop, you have no way to do. And Jahmiel will know you don't know nothing about the country badness. The youth them a do it for them young. Some man grow up, start the music, become an entertainer, and I say yes, them a do music to entertain them fans. But there's a fine line between entertainment and pretending. Yes, pretending. I gotta say it. Pretending. I know them that. We know none of them that. We could have tell by the music. We could have tell by the personas. People know them. People know them. Teacher make point out something in our track. Him say, oh, we are do this from young. Chronicler is a youth we can say that. Say, you know, we go farm it arena. Them try to reform us. Yeah? You don't know nothing about that something there. You not born bad, you not grow up big and try to take up the something. I not ready for it. Lyrically, me that say this is very entertaining for the fans. You know what I mean? Yeah, people like every now and then, regardless of the facts, so we know say yo, Jahmiel already. We got to see La Boss to point it out and I give him a clear reminder. Come keep him head if you will and show him say you, watch out man. Nobody feel like you can trick dancehall. Because I notice certain artists like to do that. Feel like them can trick dancehall fans, dance audience. The people who pay attention to dancehall music. Because remember, you have a fan base. People who are supporters of a particular artist. And they have people who just listen to the genre of dancehall overall. They might have a favorite artist which is Vybz Kartel. But other than that, they must listen to all artists and that's how the artists are going with. You know what I mean? Because you have people who acknowledge the fact that there's no other local dancehall artist. When there's no other dancehall artist, that's a plain statement. To compare to Vybz Kartel. So, despite people might hear an artist and make a statement or say something about the teacher, they don't really follow them up. They must say, boy, those people are seek attention. So, them listen to the song just to hear what them come with, but them don't really say, yo, them are not a competition. So, it's a good vibe to see this style of dancehall music still being carried on into the new generation. Let's just say that. Lyrical confrontations, because this is how we can distinguish certain artists from certain artists. Because trending, everybody are talking about trending, but really and truly everybody who are release songs right now who we can consider as the artists who are out there, sensations, whether we not call them superstars, that's something you have to earn, but young sensations, everybody sang a trend. Everybody sang a trend. So trending is not a thing. Dancehall is being supported at this point in time, and that's a good look. That is a good look. And also you have some people who, I mean, I purchase views. Someone can ask you how you do it. You have song? You have song I try to promote, yeah, you want to do it? I just ask because you want to know. Well, ask artists who do it. Go to them page, circle them on them IG, and ask them how them do it. Not them do it. You have to ask them. We don't know about that. Vybz Kartel wants him drop him track. Recently we see the teacher drop. And TJ released the music video for Up Top Gaza. And there's a particular image where a painter create, and the teacher just bust a painter. The teacher has just given stardom, a God blessing, to a painter, an artist, not a recording artist. As a matter of fact, not a musical artist any at all. Arts, paint, draw, sketch, the teacher. And it's an image of Vybz Kartel him draw. Will propel his art career now to the next level. No doubt other entertainers will be making that contact and I say, watch you know, I want a mural. You know what I mean? Yeah, want something done for the palace, the Galshan if you will. You know what I mean? Yeah, the big house. More basic word. Yeah, the big house. Well, but people start contacting him right now at this point in time. Definitely a good look to see that taking place. As I would say, viewers and subscribers, lyrical confrontation is a part of dancehall music. So even though some people might say it's not a lucrative side of dancehall music, it don't really help enhance a particular artist's career, and it might be detrimental to the other, the one who loses the clash. But at the same time, it helps establish dominance. So we can see what kind of or what caliber of an artist an individual is. Because remember, a music is not supposed to lead to anything personal. A music, even though people might draw up on personal topics and make the song spicy, or make the song have a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, nobody talk about a wife and a spicy. A spice for change her name. What do you mean? What do you want to say? Anyway, to give the song a vibe, give the song an energy, people normally use certain things. Remember, I said that this track is not a track of you know what I mean? It's not an inspirational track, it's not a motivational track. It's a track where I talk about another artist. So normally people that drop on certain things for reference in the music. You know what I mean? Some people might say sometimes it go overboard. Some people go too far. You know what I mean? Say certain things where more likely it shouldn't reach that point there. Because we see clashes happen in previous years where the clash wasn't on that level. But with newer generation, newer artists, they might take it one step further to make it even that more exciting than what it was. And I guess that does speak to for them own creativity as a younger generation. And I say we want to leave our mark on this the same way, even though something will come say the elders them a do. We want to do it our way, so that we can be remembered for our contributions. A young artist big about that right now. Our contributions, what we're going to leave back. You know what I mean? Yeah, people want to establish a legacy. Everybody aware of that legacy factor. And I try to establish one. Jahmiel, you know ready though? Definitely ready in my opinion. Talk to me in the comment section though. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if you agree. Chronicler, Jahmiel, clear Chronicler victory. Clear Chronicler victory. With ease. There's no going around that, viewers and subscribers. We can't say nothing about that. And if you disagree, tell me why you disagree. As I'm say, Jahmiel better songs are songs off that topic. We see him go tweet with all version. You know what I mean? And Chronicler point out something him realize say, yo, them youth song now get no buzz unless them are talk about somebody else. And the only time that them trend are them get a buzz. Other than that, nobody really pay their music much mind. And if you notice, that's why they never put out songs regularly. Because them notice that the people don't really have gravitate to the music as much. Especially when they sing with a certain subject matter. Plus, enough of them align themselves and them career with the wrong set of people. Wrong set of people. Jahmiel, I don't know whether take a duck up your shit. It not gonna work. Not gonna work. And I try that thing, you know. I try God. Chronicler might be a young artist to dancehall music, but what him established is the fact that he might bring strong lyrical content to the dancehall game. And you have never been an artist considered as an artist who bring strong lyrical content to the game. So for got an artist like that was a miscalculation. Me I want to have alkaline trick all on. And I try watch all on the career fields that him can stay the woman be. The only other young artist who him can say, yo, say such, and still there, they can sing songs and tell the tale. If you like him want to hold on, he can do it. And I say, oh yo, me did do it too. No, I don't feel so. Because that's one of them only accolade in the dancehall music. That's why him career built upon. The fact say him use teacher style, and when people say, yo, a teacher style I use, him say no, and say some things, and run with it, and him still at the music. That's the only thing him have to say in the music game. So him would want to take that from him. If you take that from him, then he becomes another artist. We do that. Or say that and teach him to pay him no mind. So, you know what I mean? Food for thought. Miscalculation on your part, Jahmiel. The new track drop, Vybz Kartel ready again. That no man. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the settings go up, move settings from when you need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.